බුදු බණ පාදයක් සවන වැකේවා බුදු ගුණ පමණක් සිතට නැගේවා අවසන් වරට මගේ ඇස් පිය වෙන මොහොතේ බුදු හිමිරුව මට මැවී පෙනේවා සිදුවෙන් නැති නොදැනීම එනිසයි සසරේ ඉපදීම බුදුදම් මගිමින් පැහැදීම පමණයි සදකට සැනසීම බුදු බණ පාදයක් සවන වැකේවා බුදු ගුණ පමණක් හිතට නැගේවා සැප සොයලා ගොස් දුක විඳම සඵල වුණේ නෑ පැtuu සැම අවසන් මොහොතේ ඉතිරි වුණ කල හොඳ නොහොඳයි මට කුරුම බුදු බණ පාදයක් සවන වැකේවා බුදු ගුණ පමණක් සිතට නැගේවා අවසන් වරට මගේ ඇස් පිය වෙන මොහොතේ බුදු හිමිරුව මට මැවී පෙනේවා බුදු බණ පාදයක් සවන වැකේවා බුදු ගුණ පමණක් සිතට නැගේවා අවසන් වරට මගේ ඇස් පිය වෙන මොහොතේ බුදු හිමිරුව මට මැවී පෙනේවා
and let us look forward to a meaningful and inspiring program ahead. Today we are gathered here to celebrate an important milestone, supporting our talented students in their academic journey through this scholarship program.
We are really thankful the Most Venerable K.L. Dhammajoti Nayaka Thero and the Glorious Son Charity Foundation for their kindness to the University of Colombo. Actually, maybe a lot of people don't know much about this donation system or their contribution to the Sri Lanka. I want to say a little bit very briefly. When 2022, after COVID-19 influence and the economic collapse in Sri Lanka, most venerable our Bante Dhammajoti Nayaka Thero thought about Sri Lankan people are suffering because of these two issues. He wanted to help Sri Lanka. Then he sent a lot of funds to university lecturers, especially the Buddhist studies lecturers, to distribute poor people in villages. So we bought dry rations, distributed throughout the country. Very big amount we distributed. Personally, I went to Vavuniya, Kapithigolla, Padaviya to distribute those dry rations, food items. 2-3 times Venerable accompanied with me. And also Mr. Leon, Warrior Sun members, came with me to go there beyond Vavuniya. On that way they asked, what is the problem you have? Villagers said two problems. One is they have kidney problem because of drinking unpurified water taking out of the ground. Those dry areas, Sri Lanka has this problem. So what is the solution? Solution is the RO plant, water purifying machine. So they consider it very seriously. What is the second question you have? Villagers said, second question is, we have given up doing agriculture because the fertilizer prices went up into the sky level. So considering these two issues, Most Venerable K.L. Dhammajoti Nayaka Thero advised to the Glorious Sun Charity Foundation, help Sri Lanka people. Then they started to giving the water purifying machine to villagers in Madhavachya, it's my hometown, so I give priority to my hometown. Then Kapithigolla, Vavuniya, all this area, Padaviya, we distributed. Then we went to Polonnaru this year. We are doing hundreds of water machine system we established. Then other one is for the fertilizer. How to buy fertilizer? Venerable asked me to, can you check the companies import fertilizer from outside countries? Then I checked the Google, oh, very big trouble. I cannot bring fertilizer bags, 50 kilos, thousands of, to the lorry, go to village and village is very difficult, not practical. So finally they suggest, no, we give money to people to their accounts numbers. So 35 rupees each family. 25,000 family selected from one area, one district. Grama Sevaka and the divisional secretariat help. They select and send to here. Then to the bank, we transfer the money. Each family get 35,000 rupees, only one time per year. Then we move to another place, another district. So that is the beginning to help the 35,000 rupees they gave to buy the fertilizer, not for other things. That time it was the issue. Now they have forgotten it. The third issue was, Vice Chancellor sir, you have to understand the background. Third issue was Sri Lanka, lot of lecturers and professors migrate to other countries. They are leaving jobs in Sri Lanka. So, considering that issue, Most Venerable Sir is a very great eminent scholar monk. He studied in the Vidyalankara Pirivena, joined to the Kelaniya University. He did everything, studied in that university and become the professor of the postgraduate institute of our Pali and Buddhist studies. So he knows the values of the academic life, academic people, life, and the economic situation. So Venerable said, okay, we help academic people and we can give some funds to upgrade their life level because Sri Lanka economy at that time very bad. So he started to give some funds to Sri Lankan academics in the universities. But fortunately, they select only Buddhist studies department. Even to student, even the academics, even village, they give priority to Buddhist studies people. Because Glorious Sun Charity Foundation is a Buddhist organization in Hong Kong. So they want to promote Buddhist studies, Buddhist people, and Buddhism throughout the world, especially in Sri Lanka, because of the Most Venerable K.L. Dhammayoti, Nayaka Thero's advice and kindness to Sri Lanka. Venerable has great, compassionate or regard towards the Sri Lankan people, Sri Lanka, because he was grown in Sri Lanka as a Buddhist monk, Theravada Buddhist monk, so he want to help Sri Lankan universities, Sri Lankan students. So we have to be very thankful to Glorious Sun Charity Foundation. They are practicing actually altruism, their own money, members' money. They give for the Sri Lanka people for your studies. So we have to be very grateful. We have to appreciate their kindness and dana. They have no other motives or purpose to giving these funds. One and only purpose is to help you, to give you strength, and your duty is to use that money for the study and work hard, learn hard, be a very good citizen of Sri Lanka. That is how you can refund for their loan. This is like we are taking loan from their money. If we don't use it properly, we will be the debtor of them. So your duty is prove you are clever students. You are lucky you are studying Buddhist studies. You are studying Buddhist studies in the University of Colombo. But not only Buddhist students, we selected some our other related courses like ENH course. Students also we give scholarship. So that is why we have 627 students. So please be grateful to Venerable Nayaka Thero and Mr. Leon and the members of the Glorious Sun Charity Foundation. We always wish them health, wealth, and prosperity. Finally, may they attain to the Nibbana by the power of these meritorious deeds. Thank you very much.